Hello everyone, I wanted to show another project I put together this week. This time I used Julie Nutting's French flea market paper. I really fell in love with this paper when I was attending the Scrap and Create retreat this past March, put on by Julie and Daphne. This is a 12 by 12 paper pad. It comes with a 12 by 12 sheet of stickers as well. It's gorgeous double-sided paper. I also used for the base pages Stampin'Up's Designer Series paper Springtime Foils. This is gorgeous foil paper. It's called paper, but it's really a heavyweight cardstock, and I'll show you the other colors as I go over the album. I used some tulle from my sewing supplies. I used a cut file from Silhouette, and I just offset it to get the double layer there. A flower from my jar of flowers, and this is a cutout from the paper collection. I made an angle pocket. I used a stamp and I double mounted it and I put it on a foam dot, and then I made a mat from one of the papers. It's really gorgeous. You can see this is one of the Stampin' Up! Foil papers. You can see how the rose gold wire and then the rose gold dots on the foiled paper really go well together. For here I made a belly band. This is cut out. I double matted it and put it on a foam dot, and again I made two mats. I made two mats from the collection. This one is actually a tag cutout from the collection. And I used my Stampin' Up! Punch to make a pocket. This is a sticker from the collection that I double mounted and put it on a foam dot, and this is a sticker from the collection as well. For here I made a booklet, and it opens out like that. It does have a magnet in it, and this was a tag cut out from the collection. Here's one of the foiled papers from Stampin' Up! This one is silver striped. It's really gorgeous. Nice weight on this paper. Here's another one of the rose gold foiled papers from the Stampin' Up! Collection. I took a sticker from the Julie Nutting French Flea Market, and I cut a 2-inch circle, mounted it on a foam square, so you get a little bit of dimension on that. Sorry about that. Put it in camera view. All right, so I'm going to flip it over and show you the other pages. For here, I took some S.E.I. ribbon. The velvet ribbon and the jacquard ribbon came from the Chocolat, I believe, Chocolat collection from S.E.I. Made two mats. And here's the back of that. This is a sticker from the Julie Nutting collection. Made two mats, one out of craft, one out of teal. Really showcases the print paper here from the Julie Nutting collection. All right, let me show you the rest of the pages. For this page, I made a 3-dimensional box. This is a Frances Embellishment, a sticker from the Julie Nutting collection. This has a magnet to keep it closed. And then I made 3 little tags or mats to go with inside the box. I thought that was a fun little cute element. I wanted to do something 3-dimensional, and this really did it. On the next page, I just folded a piece of the cardstock over, and I used a brad. I added a sticker from the Julie Nutting collection and made a mat. This is actually something really old. One of the first make and takes I ever did at a scrapbooking convention, and they were showcasing this adhesive backed fabric. So the make and take was to make this little purse. But what I did for this is I added the Julie Nutting stickers. I added a magnet so it will close. And I added the Julie Nutting print paper here to tie it all together. I just thought the colors, it was perfect size for the 4x6 flip album, and it also gives a different element. Here is the flip of that page, of this page right here that I showed previously. It's a waterfall, the other side of the belly band, flower from my paper flower collection. And I did not mat these because I thought they didn't need it. Being double-sided, I love the print of the paper. I love the script on this paper, so I just kept it the way it is. And here's some more of that foil designer series paper from Stampin' Up. On this page, I used 2 cutouts from the Jolie Nutting collection here and here. Made a pocket again with my Stampin' Up punch and just made 2 small tags to go in there. And then this is the reverse of the very first page that's acrylic. You can see that there's a tool here. This is really pretty paper as well. It says Hello Gorgeous, and I just put a mat here. You can see that that is part of the very first page I showed you. Anyway, I'm so glad you took a look at my video. This was a fun, quick project, and thanks for watching.